everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now I've decorated this table for Thanksgiving. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today I do have a guest, and it's Jean Home Decor and More, and her theme is pumpkins and pine cones. All right, now as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now let's head on over to the table. So I started out here with this vase that I DIY'd with those long stem white roses, which I purchased at Dollar Tree's Plus section. Absolutely great buy. The dinnerware here did come from Hobby Lobby, and let's head on over here. So I DIY'd this raised bowl, and I placed some pine cones. I also DIY'd that pumpkins, and as you can see, I'm loving the white florals. Placed some more pine cones, and that little pumpkin tea light I purchased at Dollar Tree. Now the candle holders are also beautiful, guys, with the black tapered candles that came from Dollar Tree as well. When we head on over to the right side there, you're going to see this beautiful swag that I thrifted from Goodwill. I also have that candle in that beautiful color that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. There's my little Kirkland bird, and of course we need that grateful sign. All right, so here we are. There's that swag. Now I did spruce it up a little bit, so I DIY'd it, and of course we lit the candles. Also the flute, champagne flute, was the thrifted item, but originally came from Home Goods. The flatware came from Party City when it was open, and here we are at the dinnerware. Is this not gorgeous? As soon as I saw this, I needed to have it. So I just bought the salad plate, guys. Now here is the dinner plate, and I believe I might have bought this at Home Goods. I'm not sure. I might have bought this at Home Goods, guys. And then we move on over to that charger, and the charger came from the Dollar Tree. The place setting, I decided to go ahead and layer. So we have the mesh placemat, and then we also have the gold placemat. So the mesh placemat came from Hobby Lobby, and the gold placemat came from the Dollar Tree. So if you haven't been over to Jean's channel, you have to head on over there. I'm absolutely loving her decor style, and she's just got amazing videos, guys, between hauls and shop with me's, but mainly the home decor and cooking, guys. You have to go visit her channel. Tell her that I sent you guys. Click the like button, leave a comment, and tell her that I sent you. So this water glass was a thrifted item, and then we move on over to the napkins. Those were thrifted as well, and I decided to place the napkin at the very top of the place setting and place one of the Dollar Tree pumpkins, which I thought was perfect. Now this is how I decided to layer it. I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope Jean loves it. All right, so I think it's time to take a closer look. Now, I do want to say thank you to Jean Home Decor and More for being my guest here on Tablescape Tuesdays. So, and I also want to wish everyone a happy and beautiful Thanksgiving Day, even though Thanksgiving is every day, guys. So I hope you have a blessed one, have a safe one, and may God bless you. Amen. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.